Sandra, and I wanted to show you a few things that I bought from Lantern and Wren. And if you've never bought from them, they have a wide selection of stamping supplies and plates and all of that. So it has been a long time since I've ordered from them, but I thought I'd try and see what else, see if they had anything that I was interested in. So I did. I ended up finding a stamper and a couple plates. And let me show you the plates. The two plates that I got was Alien. And this is by Creative Shop. Now, what I find interesting about these is maybe they do. They don't look like they have plastic on it, but maybe they do. At first I didn't think they did, but I got this one. Oh yeah, it does. Okay. Oh, I really don't want to take that off because I'm going to give these away. So I'm sorry. Let's leave that on there. Okay. So this one is called Monsters Want Cuddles Too. And then, so this is Alien. I think this is just telling you what this is. But we've got a spider web here, and we've got some jack-o'-lanterns here, and some scary rainbow ponies, whatever you call those. A cool tree. Oh, get this in view here. Sorry. And this goes on. We've got some bones here, and Frankenstein, and cobwebs, and this moon is cool. And I think these are, they look like flowers with like vines or something. And then this, I'm not sure what this is. I don't know. Some of this stuff I have to look at for a while before I get what it is. We got a brain here, a silly cat here. These are the aliens, of course. And Frankie's got an actual ice cream cone here. And it says, zombies eat brain, so you'll be fine. So, and then a Spidey and a web. So this is, oh, and bats here. So these plates, these Creative Shop plates are kind of cool. I think they're cool because they're kind of all over the place. There may be a theme as far as Halloween, but there's really no rhyme or reason to what they put on it. But they do cover the plate, so there's lots and lots of stuff on there. So I got this one, and then the other one I got, which I didn't realize has similar pictures, but it does have different ones. And this one is called Creative Shop 17S. And we've got, what's different on here is we have a witch here, right here. We have some fingertips here. We have a clown here that a little different, but the same kind of tree. Here's Frankie and the ice cream. We got the alien again. Here's the bats again. This ghost one is really cute. And then looks like a zombie is what it says. It's a bee. Bats and a unicorn skull and some pumpkins. And then some full nail designs here. Right here. And then we've got a little monster here, and a door with a creature coming out, and a bat, and another jack-o'-lantern. And this one says, I love burning. And this says, hello. So I thought these were kind of cool. I do like Creative Shop. Like I said, they do come out with some unique plates. And I don't know, I keep looking at my giveaways, and like, it's all Halloween. I need to get some Christmas, and I need to get some plain plates. But I thought these were cute. So anyway, these are for future giveaways, okay? Not today. I'm not giving these away today, but they will be for future giveaways. The other thing I got was this stamper, okay? And this is by Lantern and Wren. And this is a sticky stamper that is clear. Now, I don't know about you, but I have the sticky stamper by Maniology. But it's not clear, and I love it because it is a pain to work with, because you have to kind of put the image on your nail and kind of roll it on there where you think it would go. But the great thing about this is it picks up everything, okay? So I'm hoping that with this Lantern and Wren stamper that we have the same luck. I don't know. It's not as sticky. I'll tell you what, it may say sticky stamper, but it's no different than, in my opinion, than any other stamper. But let's take some kind of image and see how it works. Okay, so I'm going to use this plate from the last Maniology box. And we're going to get my sticky stamping pad here. And let's use a color that I know will show up good on this white. Let's use this really dark green. And let's get a paper towel. I have to say I'm kind of disappointed in this. I think it's a great stamper, but it's not sticky compared to the Maniology one. So let's go ahead and do a design. Let's do this one because I want to do a full nail design. And I'm using this dark green so you can see it. And they gave me a scraper with this. Ooh, I'm gonna have to get used to that one because it's very, very stiff. So there it is. It picked it up really nice. I don't have any problems with the way it picked it up. It's hard to see. Even the dark is hard to see. Let's see if you can do it this way. There you go. So you can see that better. It turned out really good. Have no problems with it. Let's put it on the white sticky paper. It turned out nice. No problems. I just don't think it's not as sticky as the Maniology one. And that's what I was hoping for. A clear, really sticky one. No comparison. This one is really sticky. And this one is... It may be a little stickier than normal. But it feels pretty much the same to me. So anyway, those are the things that I bought. Now, I bought one for myself. And I did buy one to give away. So I have the sticky stamper. And in here is the stiff scraper card by Lantern and Wren. So again, this one is going to be for a future giveaway. So those are the products that I bought for future giveaways and not for today. And so when I get ready to give these away, I will do a video. And I've already done July. So we haven't picked a winner yet for July, so we'll see who wins that. And that won't be, the picking I think won't be till next week or the week after. I don't remember. I think so. I think it's the week after. But so anyway, that's what I ordered from Lantern and Wren. I hope you liked this video and thanks for watching.